Hey, Kevin,
Yes,
what you doing?
driving.
What a surprise. You driving and me recording.
Yes, I'm driving.
Okay, where are you driving?
I am driving north. I'm not sure where. Some restaurant you picked out probably 6-8 months ago that you've been dying to take me to, but I'm taking you to.
You are taking me
Oh,
to
bumps.
it. And I have been wanting to go there since, well, the end of October, because it was when we went to my sister and I went to the Florida-Georgia game.
Yeah,
and we
that's
stopped at
correct.
it on the
Yeah.
way home. And I've been trying to get you to go ever since. So the restaurant we are
We've been
going
busy.
We've been busy. The restaurant we are going to is, number one, a 2-hour drive from the house, which is why we haven't just popped by. And it is called the Yearling. Now, if you recognize that, that was a famous book by the American novelist Marjorie Kinnan Rawlings. She wrote this. They made a movie out of it with like Gregory Peck in it many moons ago. Very famous story, but the thing that's cool about it is based on a family during the Depression in the Ocala National Forest right here in Florida. That's where
Roadkill?
they were probably eating roadkill. We might eat roadkill today. I'm just kidding. No, actually, what we're going to eat today, at least what I'm going to eat today,
Apple, don't want that.
is venison, because I had never had it before. When I went with my sister, it was the first time I'd ever had it, and at this restaurant, it is awesome. So I'm having that again because it's something different. And she also, her house is just down the road. It's a state park now. It's just down the road from this restaurant, so we're going to go there afterwards. We will definitely share that with you. But just a little day outing with some Florida history. What do you think about that, Kevin?
I think about it great. I like it.
He doesn't know what to think. And also, he'll be surprised when we get to the restaurant because it's full of critters, like stuffed critters. It's kind of cool.
Cockroaches?
No, not cockroaches. I don't want to go to a restaurant where they have cockroaches, la cucarachas. Anyways, and I am sporting my super big shades that I bought that go over my regular glasses because I have an upcoming eye surgery and wanted some big old glasses to cover up my whole eye. So yeah, they're pretty cool though. They're sporty. They're sporty. All right. Anything else you'd like to share before we get to the restaurant?
Nope, I don't have any personal information to give out.
You don't want to share anything?
Nothing to share.
You want me to share something for you? No.
Sure.
No, I'm just kidding. I would never do that. It's whatever you want to share. All right. Well, we will be showing you both the restaurant, what we order, all that good stuff, and the state park when we get there because, as always, we are.
Gone with the yawns.
See you later. Say bye, Kevin.
Bye, Kevin.
Here we go, we're on the way, gone with the arms for an exciting day, places to go, people to meet, who will you find in the driver's seat? Adventures to go, let's go together, exploring our nation in all kinds of weather, fill up the tank, let's hit the road, where are we headed, that's what we'll show. Here we go, we're on the way, gone with the arms for an exciting day.
All right. Here we are. We made it to the Yearling. What you think, babe, so far?
The entrance is rustic.
And who is this good-looking fella? That's my honey. We're going into the restaurant. All right.
Good looking
Say bye.
snake. Bye.
What you think so far? You like the critters?
Yep.
Yeah, but they're pretty interesting though. It's a cool little place, isn't it?
Yes.
Kevin's deciding what he's gonna eat. I'm getting the venison. I already knew coming, but he's still deciding. And we're starting off with some fried green tomatoes. Yummy. Coming soon. Bye. So Kevin,
Yes.
what do you think of the yearling so far?
Very good. Very good. Got the pork ribeye.
Let's get in on that. Let's get in on that.
You can't have any of it, but it's good.
You already shared a piece. Don't be so mean. So what is it?
It's a
Pork.
ribeye.
Oh,
It's
but
like a cranberry type sauce.
and
And very good. Very good.
very good, very tender.
Got
The meat.
potato.
A potato.
Everybody knows what that is.
Yes. Meanwhile, over here, let me go down. This is what I came for, which is the venison. And I kind of feel bad because on the way up, we saw a deer by the interstate. But I don't feel bad. I don't feel bad enough to not get venison. Anywho, here we are. All right. Going now. Bye. Rawlings spent most of her time out on this front porch, enjoying the redbirds and the changing of the seasons. It's here at this handmade table that she wrote the Pulitzer Prize-winning novel, The Yearling.
After leaving the Rawlings house, we finished off our trip by driving through the small town of Micanopy. It certainly was a pleasant surprise.
So we stopped in a little town called Micanopy on the way home. And
Florida.
as promised, we found a little ice cream place. So we're going to go get a little bit of ice cream.
Did we promise ice cream?
At the restaurant, I said we're going to try to find ice cream. And we found it.
Yeah, I don't think they know that. Did they?
Oh. Well,
You told me. I
Yeah,
don't think they told them.
I'm telling you now, we're going to get ice cream. Okay,
Okay,
bye.
I'm for it. Bye.
Bye.